Okay, welcome. This is going to be a video on laws of exponents. Turn to page 1. We're going to focus on problems number 1 and 2. Here we are with page 1, and problem number 1 says which expression is equivalent to 4 to the raised to the 8th power divided by 4 to the 2nd power. So this is going to be similar to the law of exponent that describes division. Why? Because a fraction has to do with division. Okay? So technically we have 4 to the 8th power divided by 4 to the 2nd power. Both of these are the same thing. Now, when we have division and we have exponents, there's one way that is very quickly to solve it. You need to have two things, however. You need to have same base and here we have 4 and 4. So we know we have the same base. And the next thing we could do is subtract the exponents. So let's jump directly to that step. We got 4 is the same base, and we have 8 and 2. So we're going to put 8 minus 2. That should give us 4 to the 6th power. Find out which multiple choice gives you that solution. So your page should start looking like this with the information under problem number 1. Our next problem is problem 2. Take a moment to solve it and then come back to this video. Okay, problem number 2. Problem 2 involves multiplication, right? That's what the little dot in the center means. So we have 3 to the 3rd power multiplied by 3 to the 2nd power. How do we solve a problem like this? Well, according to the laws of exponents, when we have multiplication, we can do the following. As long as you have same bases, and in this case, we have 3 and 3, so they are the same base. We can move on to the next step, which is add the exponents. Okay, so let's jump straight into that step. I know I have the same base, which is 3. So I'm just going to add the exponents. 3rd power plus the 2nd power should give me 3 to the 5th power. Check to see which multiple choice answer has the same solution. Okay, now we're going to evaluate the expression. Evaluate. That means actually calculate the problem. So we need to know that 3 to the 5th power is not 3 times 5. Nope, that's not what it is. It's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That 3 is multiplied 5 times. Okay? So let me bring my calculator to solve this problem. Here we go. We're going to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 so that we get 243. So our answer equals 243. 3. Now move on to the next couple of problems on pages 1 and 2.